Configuring business reminders. In this video, we will discuss that how you can create and configure templates for business reminders. By business reminders, we mean sending a reminder message to your parties regarding business, like suppose a party places a purchase order to you on regular basis, that is on daily basis, alternate day basis or weekly basis, and from some time the order has not come on this frequency. So you may send a business reminder to your party reminding about the business. Let us take more precise example. A party places a purchase order with you, that is sales for you on a daily basis. But from last few days you are not receiving the purchase order, that is you are not making any sales to the party. So for this purpose you can send a business reminder to the party. To create and configure template for business reminder, we'll go to add-ons collection engine. Then in the masters menu, we are going to template, business reminder, add option. Here, first of all, we'll specify the name of the template. We are creating this template for a sales reminder, so we are giving it the name as sales reminder. Then next is mode. That is, you want to send this business reminder as an email or as a WhatsApp message. So if you want to send the reminder as email, then select the email option. After selecting the email option, click CC button. Here you need to select the username whose email configuration will be picked to send the email to the party. In Busy, under configuration, email configuration, you can specify user-wise email configuration. So that email configuration will be picked. Then next, if you want to send a carbon copy or a blind carbon copy of your mail also, then you can specify those IDs here. Basically, the IDs you will specify here will also be receiving the carbon copy or blind carbon copy of the mail respectively. Then next is subject option. That is, here you need to specify the subject for your email. After that, a show party name subject option is appearing. If you enable this option, then party name will also be appended with the text you have specified in the subject field. Next, coming back to the mode option, if you want to send the reminder message as a WhatsApp, then you can select the WhatsApp option. After selecting the WhatsApp option, next a pick WhatsApp number field is appearing. Enable this option if you want to send WhatsApp message to the mobile number as specified in the WhatsApp number field of the account master. Again, you need to click the CC button. Here you will select the format for sending the WhatsApp, and if you want to send the message to other mobile numbers also, that is apart from the mobile number mentioned in the WhatsApp number field in the account master, then you may specify those mobile numbers here. Next is you need to select the group, that is if you want to load parties of all the groups or a particular group. Here we are selecting the sundry debtors option, that means all the parties belonging to sundry debtors group will appear on screen. Then next is salesman option. If you want to filter on the basis of salesman, then you can select a particular salesman here. Basically the salesman name you select here, the parties in which that salesman is tagged will only be shown on the screen. Then next is optional field. If you want to filter your data on the basis of optional field, then you need to first select the optional field and then specify some data in the optional field data field. This means that parties in which this data is specified in the optional field as you selected, then only those parties will be shown on the screen. Next, click the load button. On clicking the load button, you can see parties belonging to sundry debtor groups are appearing on the screen. Select the parties to whom you want to send the business reminder. Next is frequency. Here you need to select that business reminder is to be sent on daily basis, alternate days or on weekly basis. We are selecting the daily option here and then we are specifying the time, that is the time at which the business reminder will be sent to the party. Next is attach option. Here you can attach any file, that is if you have created any format for your sales reminder or you have mentioned anything particular about your sales reminder in a file, then you can attach those files in the Word, PDF, JPEG, any format. Here we have created a sales reminder Word file, so we are attaching that file. So this file will be sent along with the business reminder message. Then next is the body section. Here you need to specify the message that you want to send to the party. You can press Alt D key also to load the default format. However, if you want, you can type any message of your choice here. Here you can press Alt F4 key also to pick certain fields from the Busy database, like we are selecting the party name and the company name data fields. Next is reminder. Pick business reminder days from optional field. If you disable this option, that is if you do not select this option, then you need to specify the days after which the reminder message will be sent to the party. For example, you have specified 10 days here. So it will calculate 10 days from the last sales voucher entered and then will send the reminder message to the party. But this is a generic option. This will be applicable for all the parties. That is, for all the parties, 10 days will be calculated from last sales voucher and then the business reminder will be sent. But in certain case, you may need that you want to specify these days separately with the party. For example, for some parties, you have a sales within 2 days, and with some parties, you have a sales business on weekly basis. Then you may want to specify these days separately with the party. So for this option, you need to first select this option, that is pick business reminder days from optional field, and then you need to specify the optional field from which the data will be picked, that is from which the number of days will be picked for the party. So for your parties, you can configure an optional field, that is number of days for business reminders, and specifies the days in them in the account master, and collection engine will then pick the number of days from that particular optional field. So if you want to specify separate days for each party, then you have to use the optional field option. Next is remind for business in days. Here you need to specify the days up to which the business reminder will be sent to the party. For example, you have specified 10 days here. Then from the first business reminder, that is from the first business reminder you have sent, the message will be sent only up to the 10 days, and after that business reminder message will not be sent to the party. Then is department. Here you need to click the department button to select the department employees belonging to which will be receiving the business reminder. If you remember, in the account master you have specified department wise contact numbers, email IDs. So whatever department you will select here, the mobile numbers and email IDs specified with it will also be receiving the business reminder message along with the main number that you have specified in the WhatsApp number field of the account master. Then is search word option. Here you need to specify a string that will be searched in the parties, and those parties will be highlighted on screen. This field is useful if you have a large number of parties and you want to search certain parties on the basis of a particular string. So this is the process of creating and configuring template for business reminder. This is a one-time process. That is, you need to create and configure template once, and then collection engine will automatically send business reminder to your parties based upon the criteria specified in this template. Hope after going through this video, you would be able to easily create and configure business reminders in collection engine. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.